So here we go. My next ETB that we will be unboxing in this series is the Paldea Evolved expansion, the most recent one to come out in the United States. Obsidian Flames comes out in 4 weeks or something like that at the time of this recording. I've already pre-ordered it. I'll be doing the unboxing there too. But next up, Paldea Evolved. Kind of got the feel of things now. Let's go. Okay, so just another day in the office. What we have here is Paldea Evolved, the first of the Scarlet and Violet expansions here. Same thing that comes in all the Scarlet and Violet ETBs that we've gotten to expect at this point. This will be my third ETB. Third? I think it's going to be my third ETB opening it. And yes, I'm still using a kitchen knife to open these boxes. I have not evolved past to more modern technologies for opening boxes. Okay, Paldea Evolved. Only thing I really know about Paldea Evolved as far as valuable cards go is that there's a relatively expensive trainer card called Iono, and that is selling for like around 90 bucks right now. So for the Scarlet and Violet stuff has not been a very big hit as far as pricing goes. Beyond that, I already have a lot of like really valuable Scarlet and Violet, and these already exist. There's Iono, there's Miriam, there's Miraidon EX from Scarlet and Violet, there's Chin Pao, the hyper rare. Yeah, anyways, you get the idea. I already got a lot of these rares already, so not overwhelmingly exciting opening this stuff up, but here we go. All right, got my redeem card for online. Here's my holo foil. Okay, a Pikachu holo foil. That's cool. My promo card. I'm going to save that one because I freaking love Pikachu. Let's see. We've got sleeves. So Paldea Evolved sleeves. I'll set those to the side in case I get lucky enough to need one. And then we have a pack of energy cards. We'll just go ahead and set that to the side because the world needs more energy cards and landfills, I guess. Okay. Here are the status markers flipping, and then as well as the dice. In this case, we kind of have a multicolored EX dice, if I kind of bring it into the screen right there. So that's what we're looking at for these dice. Cool. And of course, what we all came here for, the packs. Opening packs. 9 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Without further ado, let's rip some packs. Okay. Similar format. This is the back. We have a redemption code. We have an energy card. So I'll set that to the side. And now we can actually take a look. Litleo, Rockruff, Kami, Larvitar, Calamitous Wasteland, Primeape, Grusha, Therapeutic Energy, Luminous Energy, that's a nice one, and Orthworm. Okay. Next up. That was pack number 1. Set my redemption code to the side over here. Set my energy to the side over here. Jigglypuff! One of my favorites of all time. Tadvolb. Girafarig. Great Ball. Crocolore. Pelipper. Fletchinder. Mankey with a reverse holo. Dino. And then Squawkabilly EX. Okay. Continuing on. Let's move our redeem code and our basic energy aside. Dino, Sandygast, Taruntula, Murkrow, Magus, Bramblegast, Superior Energy Retrieval, Frigibax, Calamitous Wasteland, and Lokix. Okay. I have the worst luck ever when it comes to opening packs. If you ever see me like actually pull something rare, I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna be like that other guy when he pulled the Charizard. We did it! Except for it's just gonna be like, an above average card for me. Okay, there's the Energy, Relor, Quaxley, Tinkatink, Pinnerchin, Vigoroth, Oranguru, Electrode, Krogunk, Gothita, and Garganacl. Okay, fine. Still nothing to get so excited about. That's why I just buy the nice ones online, because I know I'm just never going to pull them. Redeem code to the side. Energy to the side. Here we are. Girafarig, Tropius, Great Ball, Hoppip, Oranguru, Electrode, Vigoroth, Krog. This is like the exact same pack. Girafarig. Ooh. Hey there. That's not a bad one. Chi-Yu EX. Okay. Not terrible. We'll take it. It's not like super duper rare, but not nothing. All right, set the redeem code to the side, energy to the other side. Voltorb, Lavelle, Dunsparce, Noibat, Taurus, Practice Studio, Florigato, Tinkaton, Shinx with a kind of reverse holo, and Tiden EX. A little bit of holo on that. Okay, cool. 3 left. Let's see what we can do. Open into packs. Set that to the side. Energy goes to the side. Next pack. Tinkatink, Mankey, Delibird, Super Rod, Palmo, Tinkatuff, Bravery Charm, Murkrow, Sableye, or Oreo. Nothing great. Next pack. And yes, I sort all of these later and put them in a binder so that I actually can catch them all. My dream is that my son will look up to me someday and say, wow, Dad, what a collection. Mankey, Delibird, Super Rod, Lovedisc, Quaxel, Saguaro. That's not a bad one. All right, Farigiraf, Tinkatink, Shinx again, and Pawmot. Okay, last pack. Will I continue the streak of nothing really valuable? Yes, I will. I'll go ahead and ruin it for you now. Energy, all right. Super Rod, Disc, Snover, Fletchling, Vigoroth, Pinchurin, Crocolore, Calamitous, Snowy Mountain, Tinkatink, and Slowking EX. Another not bad one. So we got a couple not bads. Also, let's see where there's a couple not bads. We got Slowking EX, which was nice. Oh, I don't even know where they all went now. Well, oh, there he is over there. The Chi-Yu EX, definitely the nicest card I pulled out of this, which is not a bad card. It just probably will never be more than like $5, but still fun. All right, so there we go. There's Paldea Evolved's ETB. We'll see you in the next one.